The 2015 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.